The Shark Stain Striker Portable Spot Cleaner Vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling tough stains and odors throughout your home. One of its standout features is the unbeatable tough stain elimination with a dual-activated tough stain eliminator, eliminating stains and odors on various surfaces such as carpets, area rugs, couches, upholstery, and even in your car. The best part is that no premix is required, making the cleaning process hassle-free. The machine boasts an impressive 20x more stain striking power with its dual-activated stain eliminator, ensuring that even the most stubborn stains are effectively removed. The strongest suction capability pulls out liquid and dirt embedded deep down, making carpets, area rugs, stairs, furniture, couches, and upholstery look revitalized and new again. Designed with pet owners in mind, the Shark Stain Striker is perfect for pets, instantly and permanently eliminating odors, including those from pet urine and smoke. This makes it an essential tool for households with furry friends. Its lightweight and compact design, weighing under 9 pounds, make it ideal for whole home cleaning. You can easily clean and remove stains anywhere and conveniently store it when finished. The only dual-activated formula precisely fuses two unique formulas together, creating an unstoppable cleaning solution that unleashes the power of Oxy for effective on-contact stain cleaning. As a bonus, the package includes a cleaning formula to enhance the overall cleaning experience. The package comes with a variety of accessories, including the Shark Stain Striker, integrated crevice tool, 3.5 inches reversible bristle tool, 7 inches wide path tool, pet tool, hose clean tool, and two different cleaning formulas, 16 Oz Deep Clean Pro formula and 32 ounces Oxy Multiplier formula. This comprehensive set ensures that you have everything you need for a thorough cleaning experience. In conclusion, the Shark Stain Striker Portable Spot Cleaner Vacuum sets itself apart in the spot cleaner market with its unbeatable stain elimination power, strong suction, and pet-friendly features. It's a versatile and efficient solution for keeping your home clean and free from stubborn stains and odors.